Hi everyone, this is Mr. Ram. Today I will show you one website using which you can remove watermark. So sometimes you see some photos in the internet that has watermarks. So how do you remove it? So we can use artificial intelligence to remove watermarks from the video. So if you see here, this has a watermark. Now this has been removed. So various other photos can be used in this way. So let me upload and show you one of the photographs. So let me put this. This has watermarks in it. So let me upload it. See, it had the watermark, it has been removed, and I can download it. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.